In this video, we are going to learn how to clean raw data. So as you can see here, this is the raw data that we are going to clean step by step. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first, click on this. And after that, here you can see home section, click on this. And after that, here you can see the call format. And after that, here you can see auto feed column width. And after that, click again on this. And here auto feed row height. That's all. So now here you can see under the order ID column, format are set as a scientific format, but we need number format to convert from scientific format to number format. So for that, we need to select this column and again go to home section. And after that, here you can see the general box and click on this and click on number. That's all. Now we are going to remove the decimal number. So for that, click here 1 2. That's all. So now we are going to work under the address line. So as you can see here, the address line are currently displayed on multiple lines, but we will now merge them into a single line. So for that, select this column, and after that, here you can see the wrap text. You need to click this wrap text twice, that is 1 2. That's all. So now we are going to work under the customer name. Okay, so here you can see that, as you can see, some of the words have their first letter written in lowercase. So to fix this issue, for that we are going to use that is proper formula. So for that, equal to proper, and after that open parenthesis and click this cells and hit enter button. Now drag down and just a moment, and after that copy Ctrl plus C and click over here. Again, just right click, and here you can see called the paste spatial. And after that, here you can see the values. And after that, click OK. That's all. So now here you can see the product. So we are going to work under the product column. So here you can see some text are aligned to the right and left. So to fix this issue, for that, first of all, let me delete this. Right click. Okay. And now to fix this, for that we are going to use call trim formula. That is call trim equal to trim open parenthesis and click this, and after that hit enter, and now drag down and Ctrl plus C, copy it, and again click on this, and again click on paste spatial. And after that, here you can see call the value again and click OK. That's all. But this thing I'm going to delete. For that, right click and delete it. So now we are going to work on rows, that we are going to delete empty rows. So for that, again select this, and after that click on data, and after that here you can see called a filter, and after that here you can see okay this button and click on this, and again uncheck this select all. and scroll down, and after that click on blank, click OK. So now right click and delete row, click OK. That's all. So finally we are going to remove the duplicate. Okay, data. So for that, again select this and again go to data, and after that here you can see called remove duplicates. Click and click OK. There is no duplicate in this data. So guys, in this way you can clean raw data and any raw data. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So if you are new to this my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.